Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Mail and this is Banky Update. So in this video today, this is what I have for you. I have shared it on my WhatsApp group already today. This is called Yunus Loops Defi. So this is a smart contract project. It has been in existence since 8 months ago now. 8 months ago. And it people have been making money on it. And so right now, guys, I am bringing this opportunity to you so that you too can make money on it. This is not a platform where you are going to send a money to a particular account and start waiting to receive a profit. This is a smart contract. You will not send your money to anybody. Your money remains in your wallet. Your money will be in your wallet because this is a smart contract. So you are not sending the money to anybody. All you need to do is to just do your connection to this site here. And one thing about it is that your capital will always come back to you. Your capital will always come back to you. If you look, for example, let me show you something. Their duration period of smart contract investment is 1 day, 7 days, and 17 days. As you can see it by yourself here, a day, 7 days, and 17 days. Each days has their own profit percentage. So for instance, let's say I want to do $100 own, that is 100 USDT own. 100 USDT will give me 0.7 cents. That means at the end of 24 hours, that is if I do it today, right now, if I do it right now, by this time tomorrow, I'm going to receive this total in my wallet. It will automatically go straight to my wallet. I'm going to show you the wallet, and I am going to show you the app I am using. So it will automatically go to your wallet. But for instance, let's say we do it for 7 days. 7 days. So 7 days will give us $7 profit. That means we will get $107 in 7 days. $107, our capital and our profit. If we do it for 17 days, 17 days is the maximum here. It will give us $27 plus our capital, making it $127. It will automatically go straight to your wallet. Automatically go straight to your wallet. And let's say as it goes to your wallet, you can just withdraw your money. If you don't want to do again, you can just withdraw to Binance or just sell to anyone that has that need USDT. For me, you can sell to me, I will buy it from you. So, or you can sell to anybody, or if you know how to use Binance, just sell it there. So and send it to your bank account. So again, for example, let's say you don't want to do again, or you still want to do, you can decide to take your profit, the profit you make, which is for example, which is the $27, which is about 27,000 naira. Just take your profit and you can use the $100 again to do it again, or you can just use the whole $127 to do it again, so that it will be a compound compound interest. So for instance, we use $100 to get $127. Now we have that. So now we now use the $127 again. Let's say we want to use it, but if you don't want to use it, you can just take your money and go. So the $127 will now give us this again. It will give us $161.29 in another 17 days, it will give us this. So again, let's say you want to do another compound. I'm just showing you this way so that you will know how you can use it to make cool huge money. So for instance, let's say the 120 $161, you want to use it as compound again, 161.29. In your third time, that is in your fourth time or third times, you will have a total of $204, $204. That is about 200k. That is about 200k. So you can withdraw your money if you like. You can just, because automatically when the contract expire, the money will go straight to your wallet. For example, let's say we want to do the compound interest again on this one. You will see that our 204 again in 70 days will turn to 260. $260 again. You can see we now have 260. Like that, like that, like that. This is how we make money on this smart contract. Again, if you use the 260 again, it will give you $330. $330. So this is how it work. This is how it work. The minimum to start with is $50, but for me, I advise you to go with $100. If you have it, just do it with $100. $100 is, I recommend $100. For me, I recommend $100 for people to start with. But if you don't have up to that, you can use the $50. You can use the $50. $50 in 17 days will give you $63.5 plus your capital. So 63.5 $5, so something like that. So in 70 days, so like that, like that. If you look here, this is my order right now. This is my order. This is my contract on this platform. This is trusted and tested and trusted. I have tested and I have seen its genuity. So right now you can see it here. I use 100.565 and this is going to be my return, 127.71755 in 17 days. So after the 70 days, it will automatically expire. It will automatically send this profit here. It will automatically send it to my wallet. This is the remaining days, 16 days. I have done it and I have seen it. I have received my payment on this site already, on this smart contract already. There is one I shared last year, I think last year July. Up to now is still working, and before I even share it last year, they have spent more than 2 years already before I know about it last year. And right now they are still paying, it's still working up to now. The smart contract is just exactly like this one, but one thing that is different from this one and that one is that that one is doing the coin to go for the smart contract on that one is BNB. Why this one is USDT? USDT. This one is USDT. I can say USDT TRC20. So that is how it work. So let me show you something. There is something I want to show you. Okay, this is me here, Team Toto. This is me, personal. So for example, this is the money I put in, my personal money, 100.565, and this is the total of what I am going to receive, personal receive. So that is it. That is what I am going to receive. So that is how this smart contract work. If you need it, you can check the description of this video. I will drop a link to register. I will drop a link there. Just use the link and register and watch this video again to know how to connect your wallet. So let me go back and show you something. So this is Tronlink Pro. This is Tronlink Pro app. This Tronlink Pro. You can go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. So this is the app here on Play Store. You can see 5 million people download it already. This is the app Tronlink Pro. Just install it on your phone. Just install it. That is it. That is the app. So right now there is something I want to show you. After you install the app, register. Make sure you write down your mnemonic word. Make sure you write it down, and your password. Make sure you keep everything safe. Make sure you keep them safe. So after that, this is where you are going to see the browser. I want to show you how to connect right now. This is where you're going to see the browser. Click on discover. So when you click on discover, it will show you something like this. Something like this. It will show you something like this. So all you need to do is to just click on the let me say, for example, you can just, because you might not see where to input your link, the link you copied, you might not see it. So for example, you can just click on any of these things here, any of the sites here, any of them here. You can just click on any of them. For example, let's say as I click on STUSDT now. Now, just click up here directly, up here, to change this URL here, to change it to the one you copied, like this. Just click on it, then cancel it and paste the link you copy. Paste it here. Paste the link. This is the link. Just paste it here, then search it. That's it. Just search it. Immediately you search it, it's very simple. So immediately you search it, it will take you direct to the site where I just the main site. It will take you to the main site. Okay, before I show you, take you to that page direct. Firstly, before you go into the page, you need one thing. You need to have your USDT ready here. USDT ready. You have to have it ready here. And at least you need to have at least, let me just say, $1.7 worth of Tron here. As you can see, just have maybe 15 Tron. If you have like 15 Trons, it's okay. Or if you can just make it 20 Trons, just make sure you have Trons here. You can have just 20 Tron here. Deposit 20 Trons here, or 15. Just deposit 20. Then here, deposit your USDT, the USDT amount you want to use. As you can see it here, the USDT amount you want to use, deposit it here. If it is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1000 USDT you want to use, make sure you have your USDT ready, and your Tron also, make sure you have them ready. Then after you have them ready, you can now go to the Dapp, which is the discover. Click on on any of these things here. You can click on anyone. So when you click on it, on them, just change them. Just change the link above. Change it. Change the link to the one you copy. Change it to the one you copy. Then search it. Search it. So it will load to this page here that I first show you. All you need to do is to just do your connection. As you can see, my wallet is connected here. If you look at it very well, you will see it connected. You will see that it is connected to my wallet, like that. So you can click on how to join to look what is there. You can look at the intro to Yunus Loop, and you can check the open source code, the code. So right now, your amount, the amount you have in your wallet, directly in your wallet there will show here. That is, we see the balance. So the next thing to do if you want to start it is to enter the amount you want to start with here. Just input the amount you want to start here. For example, I want to start with $100 right now. Let's say I want to start with $100 or $200. Let me say $200. I can select one day. In one day, that $200 will give me $1.4 in a day. If I do it for 7 days, if I go for the 7 days zone, it will give me $14. That is, I am going to get $214 automatically straight to my wallet. But I prefer 17 days. So in 17 days, the $200 will give me 254. It will show you everything so that you will know how much you are going to earn. So if you are okay with it, with the amount you are going to earn, your next thing to do is to just click on start circulate. Start circulate. That is what you are going to click. Start circulate. Just click on it. So immediately you click on it, make sure you have like 20 Tron in your account, in your wallet there. That's all. Just click on start circulate, then approve the contract. Just approve it. Everything, as you approve it, it will your loops will start immediately, and you will see your order below here. You will see your order, as my own is here. You will see your order and start working. It will start working. So that is how the smart contract work. It's very simple. All you need to do is to just copy the link I will drop in the description of this video. I will drop it in 2 places. I will just drop it there in the description of this video, and I will also drop it in a document there. Just click on it and it will direct you to a document, a page where a document page. Just copy it out there. So come to the Dapp browser as I explained to you here, then paste it at the top. So when you paste it, it will show you all this place, show you here. Your own is to just input the amount of the USDT you want to use to invest. Just input the amount, then click on circulate, start circulate. That is all. That is all. That is all. And after the days expire, the money will automatically appears here in your wallet. It will appear back in your wallet, the money, both your capital and your profit. If you like, you can withdraw out your money. If you like, you can leave it. If you want to withdraw it out, all you need to do is to just click on send, then send it to whatever place you want to send it to. So that is all. So guys, this is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't miss this opportunity. The one that is that looks like this one that I shared last year is still working up to now, and it has spent more than 3 years now. It's going to, I think when I joined it is around, they are around 940 something days last year. So there are it's more than 1000 plus days now, and it's still working. So please don't miss this one right now. Join this one and let's start making money together. Thank you and goodbye for now. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribing button also, and don't forget to share also to your friends and family. So guys, goodbye for now. I hope you enjoy it.